Ushukela is in trouble. Lo mshikashika obekade wenza noBrariche Hostela has landed him in hot water. Sabelo is heartbroken, but Ginos apologized and they made up. Nobesithu exposed Uzanele for scamming Usandla. And Untando is heartbroken that none of her parents want her. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Amalanga Wafani. Ushukela busy nomshikashika obekade wenza noBrariche Hostela. They're busy fixing electricity, giving people power. This whole thing seems illegal. Manje uShukela is making money eqeleni. He's even hiding it from his co-worker. Manje sebayabelana, they're sharing noBrariche. He's so excited, even went to share with his friend. His friend was even shocked. Uthi imali engaka is for the work that you did. How? But 5,000 po, that's a lot of money. Up. But I was so excited because who doesn't want money? Abuye endlini uShukela with flowers for umkakhe. Engasajabulanga uThembi. She was so excited. Kanti more is coming. Imali engaka pho. Avela keep imali uShukela gives it to Thembi athi uzobona ukuthi wenza la endlini, like for the household, buy groceries, pay this and that. Oh, angasajabulanga uThembi. She was so happy at you're a good man. God has blessed me with a good man, at least unlike Baba Mngani that are busy breaking the law, not knowing that her husband is also breaking the law. But as a celebrator, he receives a call from Brariche telling him that there's a problem at Hostela, something is off. And then he goes over there to try and sort it out. Now people are standing, busy talking good. What's going on? Please sort it out. Because they took out their monies to pay him. Seems like he's struggling, but eventually he gets it done and the lights come back on. But Lenta Yenza light seems illegal. As they're so happy, okay, finally it's sorted out. They think they're gonna make more money. Brariche is excited. Can't izobajikela into na iseyaqala edubula. Plugs are going off. Ingatiyasha, it's burning. Now Ushukela is in trouble. Abahlali basawustela, they're going to show him flames, hey? Sanele shows up at the house to see Untando. Untando is excited, saying, can I please come and live with you? Because Untando is sad about her father leaving, disappearing on her. Eti, can I please come and live with you? Uma wakhe vela ethi cha, we don't have space. Ngeke uze kulunge akunandawo lapha siminyene. Yo, we can just see that Uma Kantando doesn't want that. I don't know what's going on, the story is, but she doesn't seem keen. So uyahamba ke Uma Kantando uzanele umajela amnikeze 50 rand for i-taxi. Kanti uzovela qhamuka uNobesuthi athi wena you're a crook. How can you say that they charge you 90k knowing exactly that it was only 20k for the catering? Avela athi siyayifuna leyo mali ngizomtshela uSandla ukuthi you robbed him. Athi we want that money. Avela athi cha, you guys robbed me nina namapiqi nina. The whole family, you robbed me of being a mother to my child. Now nje the mali engiyithethe inhlawulo nje, it can never be enough for what you guys did to me. Umajele was shocked with how after sengikuphe no 50 rand wami transport ngithi taxi njeni. Please tell me this whole thing is a lie. Avela athi Nobesuthi just lo ufuna nje ilightning yaseLimpopo. Athi hey wena Nobesuthi awuhlukana namadoda abantu ashadile. Ngapha uSabela kaGo uyafokofa. He's going through the most because uKinosi dumped him. He's going through the most. Nabangani bakhe bamhleke umzala wakhe. Now, Ukinosi, they go and meet up Nosabelo. Kinosi apologized and said that she's sorry for the way she treated Usabelo. But according to the office, they don't have that chemistry, Usabelo. I liked Usabelo and Oxoli. They used to like they just made sense. Even Nosabelo was even better, but Kinosi, no, it's not. It's just not giving. Ngapha uThabile is busy. You exercise as she's shopping. Unama waist trainer. Ubusy nje impilo yakhe nje ihlangahlangene. Uthemba is even realizing what's going on. You're so muhle, but what's happening? Something has changed ngawe. Athi girl ngifake i-waist trainer ibhande ke lomkhaba. Can you see ukuthi my time is flat now? Where's this whole thing, TV personal thing? If sivele yamngena ekhanda uSithabile, I hope it doesn't mess her up. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.